Okay. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you to my team as well. We're the Purple Sharks.
Hello, everybody. So my name is Arreguin, the chemical engineering major from Santa Ana College. I'll be transferring to Long Beach State this fall. I am very passionate about the environment and our beautiful beaches in SoCal.
Hi, I'm Julia Hong. I'm a mechanical engineering major from San Diego State. For this project, I really wanted to work with sustainability.
Hello, everybody. I'm Victor Lopez. I'm an electrical engineering major at San Diego State University, and I think this is a great opportunity to save the oceans and, most importantly, humans and marine fauna. Let's get started with the first slide.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tais Nunez. I'm majoring in biochemistry at Santa Ana College, and I'm very passionate about humans and the environment.
The issue which we decided to focus on for our project is that of the motion pollution in California, which by definition includes both trash and chemicals. Littering has become such a major environmental issue for a coastal state like California that it has reached the point where we cannot even set a foot in one of our beautiful beaches without worrying about stepping on plastics, aluminum bottles, cigarette butts, shards of glass, etc., etc. This video footage shows Imperial Beach, a beach in SoCal known to be contaminated by toxic chemicals and known to be dangerous to swim in. In this particular news coverage, blackwater sewage was actually being dumped onto a beach in Acapulco and eventually reached to San Diego. The next slide, please. Through our research, we found that a large number of people are concerned about the current state of their beaches and the effects of pollution on humans and marine life. Our survey was taken by well over 100 people from all around the globe, and the overwhelming majority agreed that this is an issue that must be addressed and solved. One of our interviewees actually suggested that we try to change people's mindsets about who is responsible for the trash which we create. Each person should be responsible for picking up after themselves and avoid blaming others, including employees who are paid to clean. Next is Victor, who will share how we kept our target users in mind.
Well, I'm going to present how we kept target users in mind. So as we were trying to develop our project, we came up with two different pathways which to follow in order to solve this problem. The first one was the long-term solution, which was through education, and the other one, in which we are going to focus today, is the long-term solution, in which we try to take the trash and pollution out of our oceans because somebody has to take that trash out. So we want to do this in order to protect the marine fauna, because that pollution eventually will end up contaminating people, because we as humans tend to consume marine fauna just as fish. Can we go to the next slide, please? So here we have some already existing solutions. Most of them are robots that can be delivered in different bodies of water. And in first place, we have a little truck that retrieves plastic from a river, or a trash robot that removes flowing garbage from a river. And most of those projects are basically for bodies of water. But as we can see in the right-hand side of the slide, this is a different approach, which is basically developed for sand, in which a lot of sand is being put into a machine that separates the pieces of plastic from the sand. And this is important because most of these plastics will eventually end up in the ocean and affect the marine fauna and humans. As I'm done with my part, I'm going to leave this space to Julia.
Thank you, Victor. Again, I'm Julia, and this is our prototype. Introducing the purple shark. Our goal is to clean up litter that's already in the ocean. We made a CAD design of this model using SolidWorks. This shark is made of mainly recycled polypropylene, which has good chemical resistance and is durable against environmental stresses. It has a rechargeable battery, but there are also solar panels on the top and side fins to generate extra power. There are 4 infrared sensors and cameras, 2 which are above water and 2 below. The sensors help detect living organisms like fish to avoid consuming them. For easy maneuvering, we included jets on the 2 side fins, which will push water out and propel the shark forward. Trash is then collected in the lower body of the shark and gets pushed towards the tail, which is a removable net that keeps the debris in while letting water flow back out. Next slide, please. All right, what's so special about this? First of all, it's an actual mechanical purple shark, inspired by our team name. It's made of recycled materials, therefore it's cost efficient and can be mass produced. It can be used in different bodies of water, including lakes, ponds, and oceans. There are multiple ways of recharging the system, hence the rechargeable battery and the solar panels. It's harmless to living animals because of the detection by infrared sensors and cameras. And lastly, it's mostly autonomous with a built-in GPS, so we know where it is at all times. And the antenna is in the top fin. Now, Tais will talk about its potential in the market.
Thank you, Julia. I'm Tais. So what potential does this purple shark have on the market? We know that people want cleaner beaches and do see pollution as a problem. The shark we designed has immense potential to become an exceptional product that reduces waste in our local beaches and oceans, while also improving the well-being of the people. Since the shark is made up of recycled materials, the cost of this is low and affordable for our local beaches and government officials. The plastic we collect from the shark's eating frenzy can be recycled and invested in creating more prototypes. But most importantly, by promoting a product like the purple shark, it would inspire the public and young STEM minds to create ethical solutions to environmental problems. In an attempt to test this product in action, a pool can be used to simulate ideal ocean conditions with existing sunlight, simulating waves with windy conditions. Although we designed a physical product to help with the issue, the best solution that we learned is actually prevention. If we can educate people on the issue and teach them ways to reduce their own waste production, we'd be able to make a greater impact on the environment. Collectively, we as the people can establish a cleanup culture, encourage people to choose reusable and biodegradable products over using plastic. Plastic is not as recyclable as we think compared to glass and metal, because it'll degrade over time. Yet plastic is the #1 type of pollutant that we see in our oceans. There should also be more signs, not just at beaches, but around the city to discourage littering and have enforced laws on people. In addition, we can prevent people from throwing away trash in the wrong places by painting trash cans to look more appealing, like the picture that you see on the lower right-hand corner. Or simply a suggestion from one of our surveys. You could just take your trash home and dispose of it there. So please just use a public trash can if you can. These are our resources that we used.
And we were the Purple Sharks, and we want to thank you all for being here today. Thank you.